Deep in this silent jungle, a forgotten Toyota coaster waited for a second life. Nature had claimed it, but the legend still stood. For decades, it slept beneath the jungle. Every corner carried the weight of forgotten years. The moment that door opened, history came alive. Every seat, every corner, carried memories buried in dust. Nature had claimed it, but the legend still stood. Beneath the steel, the heart had not beaten for decades. Nature had claimed it, but the legend still stood. These wheels had forgotten what a road feels like. Underneath, survival looked almost impossible. Underneath, survival looked almost impossible. Today, this forgotten machine takes its first step back to life. For years, it stood still. Now steel begins to move again.
Keep it steady, pull! That's it, almost free!
Buried by nature, rescued by determination. The jungle chapter ends here. The rebuild begins. After decades of silence, home at last. Years of dirt disappearing one layer at a time. Inside this cabin, forgotten memories begin to breathe again. Every old piece must come out before something new can be built. Every old piece must come out before something new can be built. Broken glass, damaged steel, all part of the transformation. Now the truth is exposed: steel, rust, and endless potential. The old heart comes out, ready for a complete rebirth. Years of damage, hidden beneath every layer of steel. To build something strong, weak steel must go first. Piece by piece, strength returns to the body. The foundation is back, stronger than ever. Every bolt, every gear, every part tells its own story. Years of grease and dust washed away with precision. parts leave, new power takes their place. The heart is alive again, stronger than ever. The moment every restoration waits for, the heart returns home. Every dent, every scar slowly disappears. Imperfections fade, perfection takes shape. Smooth steel, ready for a new identity. The old colors are gone, a fresh beginning starts now. After decades of damage, it's finally ready for color. For the first time in decades, new color touches old steel. Layer by layer, the legend shines again. Fresh wheels, ready to touch the road again. Inside, everything old gives way to comfort and style. Piece by piece, the vision becomes reality. The driver's cabin, completely reborn. After decades of silence, the heart beats again. From scrap metal to rolling perfection. Even under the night sky, this legend shines brighter than ever. Inside, comfort, style, and craftsmanship in every detail. What the jungle forgot, passion brought back to life. What the jungle forgot, passion brought back to life.